face walked in. It's like my biggest fear. Hello. Damn, not the step.
What's up?
You doing photography?
Trying to get into it.
How's it going?
It's hard.
Send me a photo and I'll put it right here.
Okay. Why don't you take a nice photo of him and then I have it. That'll be your. Whoa, girl!
Oh, God.
You gotta take your back front of the waistband. Oh, wait.
I bought a green, but I didn't buy a second one. Why?
Yours are really big.
If we're on
You might. That one looks old. Is there another green band? I wonder if he swapped out the one that they're using.
They got on camera too. Was that -2 camera?
Could Annalise swap out your green band that's hanging? Yeah. To see if it's more even with them. Yeah.
If you take the plates off of it and just have the band hang,
have it hang.
and see.
I want to tell you what's new with me while it's being recorded. It's only you guys' personal lives that gets interrupted, not mine.
What do you mean?
What's new with you?
I have nothing to tell you. What's new? I've been working.
Insurance game?
Insurance game, baby.
Look at this.
I'm trying to manage Allison's risks here.
How about you manage this risk?
What, all that going on? Yeah.
Hey, Big Al.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Just doing some weighted pull-ups.
Everybody's doing weighted pull-ups.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna finish so quick we had the ball play off so you guys can see. No, I just gotta make space. That light in the mats that comes on.
Yeah.
You gonna push this? I'm not ready. Are you gonna push this? I don't know what that means. I can't change the her. So, yeah. Matt, what do you want? How much are? Like 5 or 6 minutes. It's alright. Don't worry. Travis pooped already.
All this time you were pretending, so much for my happy ending. Hey, just to get out of me money, little love for one day to talk to me. I have a road up you waiting when I'm doing.
Dogs just learn how to something pointed. Brittany Spaniels.
Yeah. They're like a hunting dog.
What? Yeah, that's why they're awesome. They point. And they're really well behaved. Can I show you a point? Yes. That's a point. That's a point right there. We're starting and finishing. See this man pointing? Phones, right? Look at that point. That's deep in his DNA. He doesn't even know why he's doing it. Pointing. We're starting behind the cones too? Starting behind the cones, lunging past those cones, finishing past these cones, and after that lunge is done, you walk your dumbbells back out here. Or is it one head? Double cone.
Or you die.
Unbroken or you're garbage? I just want to go at 99 because I just did like a full set, so I want a second spot. Where are we coming out to? Devil's Breath? Like this way? Just go out to like the first line. First line. By the time I do 20 reps, it's really good. Oh, I let you be going back out. I got to go backwards. So, when I drop it. One head touch on the power cleans. Double press, just try and get your chest to touch the ground. Other than that, I think what we'll say is when you bring them back out after the lunge, just come out to the second mat because that's where you'll be in. Go to the second mat? Yeah, second mat. This one where the box is. Cool? 40 seconds. You got this feeling. What, don't you get this when we work out? No, we haven't worked out like this. We haven't done this. You ain't sick enough to put it on yourself. You ain't rich enough to hit the last step. We're just here. Exactly the same. I don't know. 10 seconds.
fire hate, I fly. My block, the world is split at 50-50. You take the dough and stay real chicky. Sip the Chris and get kissy. Flowing within me like delivery of my new 50.
Baby.
You know what's hell when I come through. The light is out of Sean Carter, why you too. Trying to murder everyday movement.
Nice, Lex.
You wanna be my main squeeze? Don't you? You wanna look between my knees? Don't you wanna see me with your three down the ass? So what's what the because I'm there. Break up the fear, head shots in the air. You get back to start bringing every damn new shit. See? Now you wanna pistol with me? Pull out your line while I crack on mine. Now what's up? I ain't got time. I don't know what's up.
Let's go, Chris. Come on, Chris, almost there. You got it, dude, come on. Come on, Chris, let's go. Tip away. Atta boy.
Nice, Chris.
Almost there, come on.
Let's go. Let's go, Chris.
Come on, Chris.
Come on now.
Atta boy. I literally felt at failure on the first set of 10. And I was like, this is not good. Yeah. My like biceps and lats felt like they were ripping off the bone. It was an interesting feeling.
I thought it was 13, but okay.
I went 10-10,
Really?
6-4.
Oh. I thought you didn't drop it.
Oh, I set it down twice.
I think I did like an extra
Oh no,
clean
sorry, I went
and like an extra
17.
devil's press.
17.
I went 17,
Because I did 10 and I dropped it.
and then I went to 24, so 7-7-4.
Wait, you did 17 to start?
Or 7-7-6, yeah, I went 17.
Yeah. On the chest ball?
Yeah, I did a big set.
On the clean.
Clean. I went 12-10.
I saw you full get to him first. So I was like, you're gonna have to try to hold on and hope her grip blows up. But I literally hopped up on the pull-up rig and I was like, like it feels like my like lat was ripping off the bone.
What were you testing ourselves?
I did 10s. But like 8, 9, 10 every round were like bit knee, that's max effort. Like I was pulling as hard as I could and I felt like I wasn't going anywhere.
What did you do, Lex?
15, 12.
That's where she.
I wanted to go 5 by 12 and I got to 36 and I was like, all right, you can go 3 by 8 to get here now. And then it was like, I think I did.
I thought about almost risking it for the biscuit, and then I got 10. I said, no, we're good here.
I thought you were going to go 16 ropes.
I never said that. Your coach said that.
I wanted to get up and do a big set. And when I got there, I was like,
It was too much pulling from the clean.
man, going between the legs was so much easier. On the clean, I went 12 outside. That's just what I always do. And then I was like,
I was wondering what you did, so I like looked over and you were like this. So then I kept doing it because I was like, it's moving fast.
I went power play maybe on a better day, push the end. Like that's what I was like.
Get any bangers?
Let's hope. If not, it was a waste of time.
What's the secret?
The secret is you have to take a lot of volume and don't use just average photos. You gotta wait for the vibe.
There you go.
want to tell the people about your giant ass board?
Well, if I don't write everything down, I mess it up. And you don't want to have to write on multiple boards or erase it, so. But the key to a nice whiteboard is a good marker. You got the fat markers, looks like shit.
I've seen it. I use the super. Well, I like to just take a picture and log it. I do like going back in my old notebooks. Yeah.
That's the only one way to find out.
Like, times of the year too. Like, I have my notebook from the like first year. I'm like, yeah, when I freaked out that I smashed 105.
Yes! To be fair, 105 made the PR like top 3 at the gym at the time.
Much better.
You just needed a warm-up rep.
I just need a warm-up set.
All I know is you sent me a picture of both your faces and you said, Dad.
Cleanup's the best part.
I know.
I watched my video, so I come down already.